Welcome to This Just In, a weekly news show highlighting the people and events in Newport News Public Schools, where our high school students have a range of career pathways set before them as they prepare for life after graduation. Menchville High School is constantly preparing students for their future careers long before they graduate. In March, Menchville's counseling department organized and hosted a career and hiring expo in the Media Center. All students were welcome to attend, especially students enrolled in career and technical education courses. 28 businesses attended the expo, with representatives excited to share insights about their companies, what types of jobs they offer, and how students can prepare for these careers through further education or internships. The possibilities offered were a wonderful blend of summer jobs, other part-time jobs in a range of industries, and possible long-term careers available to students after high school, graduating from college, or completing trade courses. Students were welcome to fill out applications on the spot, or follow up later with businesses they were interested in working for. The counseling department made sure to invite businesses from different career fields in which their students have shown an interest, making the expo relevant and timely. And by bringing so many careers together during the school day, the expo presented a convenient opportunity for the busy high schoolers looking to advance their future careers. Students at Woodside High School have set their goals high with the hopes of achieving new heights. Interested students were invited to meet and learn from the Newport News Police Department's drone team during the library's Wolverine Wednesday offerings. Officers talked about the different unmanned aerial systems they use to safely and effectively serve the community. As technology advances policing into the 21st century, drones assist officers with search and rescue, faster response times, tactical deployment, analyzing crime scenes from a new vantage point, and keeping people safe at large city events. Students were welcome to ask questions to the knowledgeable officers and explore the different thermal and night vision lenses on the various drones. The informative presentation was as much fun for the police officers to share about their careers as it was for the students to learn about new and exciting career paths.
Millions of years ago, humans first learned how to harness the power of fire. Thousands of years ago, humans learned to meld metal together by creating pressure with fire during the Bronze Age. And today, some of the highest paying and most in-demand careers involve a torch that can fuse or cut metal to build the world's mightiest ships, tallest buildings, or some of the most captivating artwork ever seen. Novice welders can enter the workforce making $15 to $20 an hour, while more experienced welders can net an annual salary over $50,000. With more welders retiring each year, there are literally hundreds of thousands of openings for this in-demand skilled trade. Through the Early Career Program, high school students in Newport News Public Schools have access to advanced courses and certifications in welding during their senior year. Skilled trades are becoming more and more important in our everyday lives. Even with the world on the brink of full technological automation, it is skilled workers who make these advances possible. The Early Career Program seeks to offer students the most direct route to a successful career, while saving students money and time. Through a partnership with Virginia Peninsula Community College, high school seniors are able to take advanced welding courses while still in high school. Early career students are eligible for the welding portion of the program at the end of the first semester in their senior year, and upon successful completion of standard or advanced diploma requirements. Once eligible, the door is open for seniors to complete courses at VPCC during the spring semester. The discounted cost for tuition, textbooks, and supplies is only $200 for early career participants, saving families over $10,000 in enrollment fees. The region's best welding instructors will guide students through 5 courses, focusing on the techniques and safe operation of several welding methods, including stick welding, flux cord, and gas tungsten arc welding. Small class sizes allow more individual training in an accelerated learning environment. The experience and certifications gained here, along with job placement support, will immediately open employment opportunities for early career graduates. Don't let this amazing opportunity pass you by. Talk to your school counselor today for registration details. Openings for enrollment in the early career program are extremely limited, while the potential for success in the welding trade is limitless. With a higher than average starting pay, good benefits, and available jobs all across the globe, you can build a bright future through the NMPS Early Career Program in welding.
Newport News Public Schools is devoted to the safety of all students and staff. Students and families have access to a new anonymous reporting system. Speak Up provides a simple way to easily and confidentially report threats of violence, bullying, peers in crisis, and other imminent threats. Speak Up's trained safety representatives monitor and evaluate reported tips 24/7. Depending on the severity or urgency of the report, the proper staff members will be contacted or law enforcement will be asked to intervene. Students can report safety concerns anytime using the Speak Up icon on their Chromebook through email and call or text. Thanks for joining us for this week's edition of This Just In. And check out more fun and informative videos at nnpstv.com to see the many great things happening in Newport News Public Schools. Thanks for watching.